Hello, in this video I will show you how to install RAR application on Samsung Galaxy Fold 5. So you have to start with opening Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in RAR and click search. Now click install and now click open. Now you have to allow this application to access your files and then click back. Now you can decide if you want to allow this application to send you notifications or not, and now click dismiss. So now you can use this application as you want. So if you like this video, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.